The central nervous system is part of the nervous system. It is consisting of the brain and spinal cord. It has become to be described in this way as it combines all the collected bodily information, arranging it so that the necessary activities can now appropriately proceed. I am purposely calling your attention to your central nervous system because neural development is one of the earliest bodily systems to begin and the last to be completed after your birth. This development that takes place within your central nervous system generates the most complex structures that are within the embryo, while this long period of development potentially can lead towards environmental consequences for that developing neuron. To clarify a bit, these considered consequences are happening throughout childhood that go forth influencing the entire developing nervous system. To explain, these consequences will influence the functional processes of the neurons themselves. This includes their synapses and the dendritic processes, the considered chemical communication sites of the neurons themselves, that are within local neighboring networks of communicating neurons within specific brain regions. Nutritions and our genes interact, playing a vital role in the structure and then, of course, functional responses that go forth, leading in turn to major consequences on our brain health. Nutrition and our individual environments. Now, please understand that this includes physical and emotional environments that go forth having epigenetic mechanisms. Now, this just means their influence on our genetic expression that has a major role in the development on the cellular body, therefore the cell's function. Our circulating hormones and nutrients from our diets activate certain genetic mechanisms that influence the expression. This just means the production of proteins from multiple genes involved in the cellular body development, including the cell functional processes, those synapses and the dendritic processes that send and receive signals from the neighboring cells that are coordinating the received stimuli from the entire body. Our genetic expression is controlled by the environmental influences. Once again, this does include the nutritional, physical natural environments, and our emotional ones. All this here creates the body's blood chemistry that is interacting genetically, producing the necessary proteins that proceed with the functions taking place there within the body, while also the functional adaptations that are necessary for the ever-changing future environmental circumstances.